Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a maintenance scheduler or someone aspiring to step into this role, today's video is for you. We're going to explore the key interview questions you're likely to face and show you how to answer them with confidence. From prioritizing tasks to handling urgent requests and using scheduling software, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Question 1. How do you prioritize maintenance tasks when scheduling? Show your ability to assess the urgency of tasks, prioritize based on equipment criticality, safety requirements, and operational needs. Explain how you consider preventive and corrective maintenance to minimize downtime. Here is an example response. I prioritize maintenance tasks based on the criticality of the equipment, the potential impact of downtime, and safety concerns. For example, when I worked at XYZ company, I ensured that critical production machinery was scheduled for preventive maintenance during off-peak hours to avoid disruptions. I also kept a close eye on corrective maintenance. Question 2. What software tools or systems have you used for maintenance scheduling? Discuss your experience with CMMS, computerized maintenance management systems, or ERP systems, and explain how these tools have helped you in organizing and optimizing schedules. Here is an example response. I have extensive experience using CMMS software like SAP and Maximo. These tools allow me to schedule tasks efficiently, track the status of work orders, and monitor equipment history. At my last job, I implemented a more automated scheduling process using Maximo, which reduced our equipment downtime by 20%. Question 3. How do you handle situations where there are multiple urgent maintenance requests? Demonstrate your ability to prioritize under pressure, communicate with different departments, and ensure that all critical tasks are handled without causing significant delays to others. Here is an example response. When faced with multiple urgent requests, I first assess the impact of each on production and safety. I then communicate with the maintenance team and operations to agree on a plan. For instance, when we had simultaneous equipment failures, I prioritized repairs on the equipment that was critical for production while setting up temporary solutions for less urgent issues. Question 4. Can you describe a time when you successfully adjusted a maintenance schedule to avoid downtime? Use a specific example to show how your flexibility and strategic planning helped minimize or prevent downtime in a previous role. Here is an example response. At my previous company, we had a major machine scheduled for preventive maintenance, but an unexpected part shortage delayed the work. Instead of postponing all maintenance, I rescheduled the team to handle non-critical tasks while waiting for the part, which minimized downtime and ensured we stayed on track for the week's goals. Question 5. How do you coordinate with maintenance teams and other departments to ensure smooth scheduling? Focus on your communication skills and how you collaborate with other teams, including production, operations, and procurement, to make sure schedules align with the needs of all stakeholders. Here is an example response. I make sure to meet regularly with production and operations managers to understand their needs and communicate any potential impacts of the maintenance schedule. In my last role, I held weekly meetings with all departments to review the upcoming maintenance schedule and ensure any necessary adjustments were made in advance. Question 6. How do you ensure that preventive maintenance tasks are completed on time? Talk about how you track and monitor preventive maintenance schedules, manage technician workloads, and proactively address potential delays or bottlenecks. Here is an example response. I use CMMS software to track preventive maintenance tasks and set automated reminders for upcoming tasks. I also regularly check the progress of ongoing work orders to ensure there are no delays. For example, at my last company, I set up a bi-weekly review of pending tasks with the maintenance team to keep everything on track, which improved our on-time completion rate by 15%. Question 7. What steps do you take to track and report on maintenance activities? Show your ability to document work, generate reports on equipment performance and downtime, and provide insights to management on the efficiency of maintenance operations. Here is an example response. I generate regular reports from our CMMS system, which track key metrics such as downtime, maintenance backlog, and technician productivity. I also create monthly reports for management, summarizing the performance of critical equipment and identifying trends or areas for improvement. These reports helped reduce reactive maintenance in favor of planned maintenance, improving overall efficiency. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found these insights helpful and that they give you a leg up in your next maintenance scheduler interview. If you've got any questions or want more tips, feel free to drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on career development and industry skills. See you in the next video.